Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Future Dimensions 360. As you guys know, in our last tutorial, we had talked about file system, fs.io, the core modules of Node, the core module, one of the core module of Node.js. So, in case you had learned in the last lecture how to read the file in synchronized and asynchronized way. So, let's say I have a file with 100,000 pages. So, in that kind of cases, if you are going to read the file either in synchronized way or in asynchronized way, it's not feasible. Like if you are using synchronized way and waiting in the compiler to waiting for the results to be appear, so the customer or the user will wait around 1 to 2 minutes to let the compiler whole file read and bring out the results, and it will slow down the process as well, as this is very long data to save into the memory. Other than that, if you are using asynchronous way, even though compiler will start compiling the next lines of code, but still your current file results will wait for 1 to 2 minutes, and this big data, it's not feasible to bring all data together into the memory. So for overcoming these kind of solutions, the fs.io core module provides us streaming options. So let's discuss in today's topic how to write and read streams by using fs.io. So let's begin. Let's import fs by using require. As you see that I didn't mention the full name as it's a core module. That's why let's create readable stream by using fs module fs dot create create read strem stream, or I'll say input.txt, the file that I'll use to create readable stream. So let's say I'll set the data to empty, one variable where I will save all the results, and I'll set the readable stream, the encoding technique to readable stream set encoding. Sorry, I should pass the data set encoding to UTF-8, and let's see the readable stream dot. Now we will pass the events, like as soon as you'll receive data, please follow. Then after that, on this event, I will pass an anonymous function with the variable chunk. This is the parameter that will receive the data in the form of bits, and I'll say data plus equals to chunk. Always whenever you're receiving any data, add it to my string here. So as soon as I'll say readable stream dot on, as soon as it end is another event, pass another anonymous function in it, and you can say after passing anonymous function console dot log that data, whatever we have read. Let's go ahead and try to run this. You see that we had read out all the data by using streams. So what we can do, if we have paginations, we have a lot of data and we don't want to use it. So here we can perform actions on piece of data. So our user will not wait. User will not wait for 1 2 minutes to read the full data. It will be like in the form of parts, small parts, small chunks, and we can perform our actions in between. So let's move forward and try to create one write stream, how we can write data using streams. So let's say write data is equals to hello world. This is what I want to write in one file named, I will let's say the file name is output.txt. So first of all, I'll create writable table stream equals to fs dot create, and this read I'll change it to write stream, and the file name is output dot txt. So let's move forward. Writable stream dot I will say write. I have to write data. So let's say which data I will write. I said hello world is saved in this variable, and the technique encoding is in the form of bit, so I can pass UTF-8 here, and I'll say writable stream dot end. Once you finish the writing, after that please writable stream dot on, check the event of finish. If it's finished, please, if it's finished, you can pass anonymous function on top of it, and in that one you can say console.log writable stream has finished writing. Okay, so 1 2 3, and this one is the perfect way to show. Let's see, there is no output file right now here. Let's move forward, try to run this file, and we'll see writable stream has finished writing will print it out first in the console, and then I had print the file, the data that is an input file is appearing. So let's see, this output file hello world is appearing. Hello spell is wrong, but I'm sorry for that, but that's fine. Let's say it's, I will change this word to hello world from node, I can say nodejs. Okay, let's try to write it again. So let's see hello world from nodejs is appearing here. Input data is appearing in the stream. So here you see like it's properly asynchronous. Like see, write stream is printing out in the console first, and reading data from the chunks is coming back after. Like it's saying, start reading the data. Once you finish, please, this event will be called. Please console log that one after once you read all the file, and let me go forward and I'll go and read the other lines of code. Let me perform these execution. So this is the pretty basic example for reading and writing data in the file using streams. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you guys liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. See you soon in the next video. Goodbye.